Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and next to you right here we have NSD USD, okay, or New Zealand dollar with the US dollar. And today we're going to be talking about specifically should we actually use um, the Fibonacci, okay, the Fibonacci retracement right here, okay, we have that Fib retracement, okay, this is the thing. Now, this is not, let me just, okay, we have the normal Fibonacci right there on the chart, and we just need to turn it to white. So we can basically see that, and let's just turn that as save as normal, right? So now we have that. Okay, so let me just have this and just show you like when we use the Fibonacci. Personally, I do not use the Fibonacci. I mean, when I'm trying to like predict some types of stocks, sometimes, okay, sometimes. I mean, Fibonacci is a great tool overall, but basically this is like when I use it overall, like I know where the trend is gonna go. I mean, we see, okay, we just see the structure. If you're in a downtrend, like this is how the downtrend moves, right? This is when we use the Fibonacci in this case. So we're trying to find the lower high and the lower low, okay? And in this case, as you can see, like we are going to be looking for some types of, this is just a like additional catalyst. You cannot just trade off of Fibonacci, okay? I mean, yeah, it will help you like just like putting trades right there. I mean, overall, every type of trading you have like great risk management, like even if you guess the risk management, I mean, to I don't want to lie to you, but like you're not going to be like coming up profitable and you're not going to be consistent. But this is just a additional and plus to your like strategy, okay? Just it can act up as a catalyst, as I said. What we're waiting for some types of reactions around the 8.786 level, and the I mean, overall, like this whole thing right here, you could be looking for some types of like catalysts around there, okay? This is for the downtrend, and as you can see, like this is like from the lower high to the lower low, and like we're trying to guess the new lower low, okay? You can absolutely do something like this too, okay? Just put your like stop loss maybe below that, and like trying to aim for that 0.23. Like this is just for example where we can put ours like take profit, okay? Like the most of the times the best thing that you can do is just put it below the low, just so like the risk is not going to be as big, okay? And now, of course, you can just have a type stop loss, so you can have a great risk to reward. uh, like the minimum risk to reward that you can have is around 3, okay, 3 RR. So this is it with that. But you can always just try to aim, okay, you just look at the left, you just want to aim for some types of demand, well, I mean, yeah, demand areas, okay? And you can just target some lows, but it is always up to you. But you need to have your risk to reward, okay, your RR. This is for the downtrend, okay? Right now, let's just look at for like how the things move for the uptrend. Okay, this is how the uptrend goes. We just make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. You know how it goes, all right? In this case, when do we use the Fibonacci? We use that from the lower high, okay, lower high. No, no, my God, from the higher low to the higher high, okay? We're just trying to find that movement, the big movement to the upside. From the higher low, okay, HL, to that higher high, or HS, HH. You know what? Like, let me just mark it up. So this is like, oh, we do that. Okay, we mark them from the higher low to the higher high. And again, the same thing happens. Like this is like how I personally use. Some people may just wait for the zero point 0.5 only for that like 618, but I just use like these three. And as you see, we had that. Okay, it's not like the every single time that like this is what's gonna happen. I'm just giving you like a easy um kind of view and just to understand how it moves, right? So yeah, like as you see, we had that touch right here. Again, you're gonna be waiting for some types of catalyst, okay? You cannot just trade off Fibonacci. So as I said, in this case, like you could be like, if you have a catalyst, bam, like you get in, you have the like trigger, you can partial after. I mean, yeah, you need to have a understanding how you can position yourself in some types of trades, okay? You're the first part that you're going to take is around here, okay, just above the high, because like this is what the big institutions are going to do. They know that they have money about that swing high, and they're just going to take out the low, okay? And you can absolutely, even like after they take that, they can reverse the chart. But yeah, so you can partial off with that, off with the high right there. And yeah, I mean, of course, you're gonna have your stop loss or break even. And then after that, wait and just try to see. Okay, you're gonna left it open and see how much it can give. Okay, so yeah, it is always up to you and your style of trading. This is how I use the Fibonacci for the beginners. So let's just try to find like examples on the live markets. For example, here we have the NSD USD. This is the chart. Okay, though today we're Sunday, so we had of course the chart is closed. So yeah, for example, here we have one. Okay, here we have. I just seem to see this. Okay, so we have a higher low right here. We have a higher high. And as you can see, we came back, we even like came lower than the 786 level. As you can see, like from this touch right here. Some people may have been looking for buys around that area, but as you can see, like we even came lower. If you were looking like around there, this is what I personally like to do when I use the Fibonacci. Okay, as a catalyst, okay, as a plus. I always keep my low maybe just below this high. I mean, the risk to reward is not going to be great. I mean, yeah, but or just around here. In this case, if I use it just below like the 786, I could have been stopped out. If I use it right here, I could have not been. And as you can see, the first TP is going to be like where we're going to partial out will be about that high. This will be our second TP. This will be our third. In this case, we had the first one, the second TP. The third one was never hit. So yeah, this is it with that. And in this case, let me just zoom out, trying to find a great. Okay, I'm gonna backtest with you guys. Like I don't know when I'm gonna. I just click on the alert. You know about that. But let's just zoom out, go to the 2 hour time frame, put this like that, and just like go. For example, right there. Okay, this is the tool. Okay, the replay tool. In this case, yeah, this is what we have. Okay, we have that big push to the downside. We can use the Fibonacci from here on, but I don't think that the price. No, this is the wrong way to do that. As you can see, like I see that the Fibonacci is in the golden zone. Okay, it seems like we're going to continue to push to the downside, but I don't think this will be the case in this. So let's just see how this may move. But as I said, I don't think that this will be the case. So actually, if we put the stop sell right there, as I said, I just put my stop loss um just around the 786 level or above, like right there. For example, let's just be like ultra safe and put it right there. First TP is going to be around here, not the aggressive like RR, but still like you're into the positive. You just put your stop loss on break even, and this is our build up first. Our second TP, let's see if we can hit that. Yeah, and we bam go even past the third one. So this is how you can use the Fibonacci retracement tool. Let me know what are your thoughts about this kind of okay analysis. Have a great day for the rest of your day, guys, and I will be seeing you soon. Okay, peace out.